Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's solve the Leetcode problem 1572, matrix diagonal sum. Basically we are given a matrix. So for this diagonal sum, for this matrix, it is called primary matrix from the top left to the bottom right. This is the primary diagonal, and this is called secondary diagonal. So that is from the top right to the bottom left. So for solving this problem, normally the rows and columns should be equal. For example, here, the matrix dot less equal to matrix I dot less. This is why we can use the primary diagonal and the secondary diagonal. But basically, we just need to get the sum of all those numbers in those diagonals. Now let me try to do it. We're going to use a result. So this is going to be our result. And for matrix problem, I always use R and C. Even R and C are equal. So for here, result would be 0, and R would be len mat, and C would be len mat 0. And then I'm going to go through the matrix by row and columns. So for R in reads R, and for C in reads C, my result, I just need a condition to check. So if R equals to C, this is straightforward because we know the primary diagonal. But also for the secondary diagonal, we should know that there is also a property. So that is the R plus C equal to what? R minus 1 or C minus 1. Because, for example, this one and this one, it equals to 2. 2 is the length of R, 3 minus 1. For example, here the R plus C equals to 2 because the R is 0 and C is 2, column is 2. And for this one, it's also the same. So this R is 0 and this R is 2. And for the column index, it is 0. So R plus C equals to 2. So the property is R plus C equal to R plus 1 or R minus 1 or C minus 1. Then we just need to put it to our result. So result should plus mat RC. Now what we need to do? Just need to return the result. Now let me submit it to check if it really works. And at the same time, the time complexity is O n squared because the length of the mat is n. Here we call it n, and the length of the mat 0 is also n. So it is n squared. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problem like this. See you next time.